In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Replit on laptop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the official Replit desktop page and download the app for Mac, Windows, or Linux with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. You can do this by typing google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Using Google makes it quick to find the official download page without memorizing links. Click into the search box at the center of the page and type your search, such as Replit Desktop Download or Replit Download. Press enter to see the results. This tells Google exactly what you're looking for and helps surface the official page at the top. From the results, look for the link that points to Replit Desktop or replit.com/desktop. Avoid ads or third-party sites. You want the official Replit domain to ensure you're getting the genuine app. When you find it, click through to open the Replit desktop page. On the Replit desktop page, you should see clear download options. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct site by checking for the padlock icon in your browser and the replit.com address. This is a simple security step that prevents accidental downloads from imposter pages. Now choose the button that matches your operating system. If you're on a Mac, click Download for Mac. Your browser will start the download, and you'll see the file saving to your Downloads folder. On Windows, click Download for Windows. This will fetch the installer that works on most modern Windows laptops. If prompted by your browser, choose to save the file. On Linux, click Download for Linux. Depending on your setup, you may see formats like App Image or Packages for popular distributions. Select the one that fits your system and let the download begin. While the file is downloading, keep the browser window open and wait for it to complete. If your browser asks for permission to keep or save the file, confirm the download. Larger files can take longer, so a stable internet connection helps. That's it for the download process. You've navigated from Google to the official Replit desktop page and selected the correct download for your laptop's operating system. If you ever need to repeat this, just return to